circle round and round, circle rolling on the ground. Big circle, small circle too, circle fun for me and you. Rolling, rolling round and slow, watch the circle go and go. Circle, circle, round and round, circle, circle, fun we found. Circle, circle, round and round. Square, square, nice and neat, four straight sides, strong and sweet. Big square, small square, side by side. Look at the square with happy eyes. Four little corners, count with me. Square is here for you to see. Square, square, nice and neat. Square, square, can't be beat. Square, square, nice and neat. Square, square, nice and neat. Triangle, triangle, pointy top. Three straight sides that never stop. Big triangle, small triangle too. Triangle fun for me and you. Up it goes and down it goes. Triangle shining as it glows. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. Triangle is fun as fun can be. Rectangle, rectangle, long and tall, like a door or a big wall. Two sides short and two sides long. Rectangle joins our shape song. Tall rectangle, wide 1, 2. Standing straight just for you. Rectangle, rectangle, don't you see? A lovely shape for you and me. Star, star, shining bright. 5 sharp points in soft light. Big star, small star, up above. Star is shining with love, love, love. Star, star, twinkle high, shining softly in the sky. Star, star, shine and play. Stars are fun in every way. Heart, heart, pink and sweet, love and hugs for all we meet. Big heart, small heart, beat, beat, beat. Hearts are happy, soft and neat. Heart, heart, floating slow. Look at the heart, glow, glow, glow. Heart, heart, pink and bright. Hearts are fun day and night. Oval, 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 long and round. Oval shapes are all around. Big oval, small oval too. Oval's fun for me and